Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing the device and moving immediately into settings so you waste no time. Open Settings and go to Notifications or Apps and Notifications. This gives you the central controls. Tap the first app you want to manage to review its notification types. Once done, mark any truly essential apps as priority so important alerts still come through. Make sure to note which apps send multiple channels like banners, sounds, or lock screen previews before you change anything. You now customize each app. Open an app's notification settings and toggle sounds, vibration, and lock screen previews to off if they are unnecessary. Next, expand notification categories to silence specific alert types. This stops redundant pings without disabling the whole app. Once done, configure Do Not Disturb and add exceptions for urgent contacts or apps so critical alerts still reach you. Make sure to test one change to confirm behavior before repeating across many apps. It saves time and avoids mistakes. To finish, set up system-level tools like focus modes, schedule Do Not Disturb, or bedtime mode to automate quiet times so you don't micromanage notifications. Then verify battery optimizations aren't blocking important alerts. Adjust if necessary. If a notification still misbehaves, clear the app cache, check app permissions, or update the app. These often fix glitches. Troubleshooting tip: if many settings fail, reset app preferences rather than a factory reset. This restores defaults without deleting data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.